Hello, welcome back to another day.
Another day of van life in Croatia, and in today's video we've got a very beautiful one. We're on this little island just off the coast of Split, and we've got a couple of other GB vans as well.
Come on, the GB.
Yeah, we've just been exploring this wee place and it's super beautiful, doing lots of wild swimming, so we thought we'd bring you guys on and let you see what we've been up to.
Check it out. Bye Martha, see you later. Oh, baby. Someone's excited. 6 cups of coffee, this is what happens.
I only had 2, thanks. Jeepers, I'm not cut out for this. I didn't know we were going for a full like up the mountain scramble here, guys. Not mentally prepared for this. I'm wearing a flipping hoodie and everything. I've been left behind. We feel like experiences are even better when they're shared with other people, and just looking out over these views has just been so incredible, making shared memories. Oh, but it's cold. Okay, I love you. Okay, bye. Bye. Oh, go to high.
It's not high. It's not high.
Sure.
Absolutely, it's not high at all.
Okay.
It's like 30 centimeters. Yes!
It's shallow.
Woo! Feel
Oh,
good?
yes.
That was really deep. Jesus Christ! Let's go. Okay.
Well, do you want me to see?
Let me see if I can catch a bottom. Do you want to hold? Do you want to pull?
I've got. She's in. Woo!
I did it! It is kind of cold though.
So we're at this beautiful park up. We managed to park the van right beside the water, and we've just been kind of like doing some work to this view. It's actually just been so zen. You know?
It's been really good for our
I'm super
headspace.
zen right now. So yeah, we're going to take a walk around to the beach, and apparently there's a really cool thing as well. But stay tuned, you'll see that later on.
I want to know what the cool thing is. Oh my word, you're an idiot. I could swing on you right now, but that would be a hazard. Okay,
Done?
are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I'm scared!
It survived!
As you can see here, we found an insane park up. It's right on the edge of this little island, looking out at these beautiful views. It's got great sunsets and it's just been absolutely awesome. We're here with another couple of vans and we've just enjoyed so much time swimming, diving off all these crazy spots and just making memories with other people. This park up has been really secluded and quiet and just exactly what we needed. Some perfect downtime in Croatia before we head back up a little bit, do some more climbing, and then soon, guys, we're going to be hitting the road east. Thanks for joining us in this one, guys. We've had such a brilliant time on this little island and I really hope you enjoyed seeing what we've been up to. See you tomorrow.